Bula binaka, nimbula na ito kanya na pala mata, rambula talit kani golia, ya kabichu ni singa moni. Ya sasa kutumengo na takadaka, sange uchichungango wale na tolo. Ya niko biara li subitali nga na video au wada kabe na matakango, bakla nungo doanga nungo berita, la kama nungo bakasa na mwasetian. Na the why I look beyond one paycheck. Why I look beyond one paycheck. Sa tere mo bakasang karatal. Sa ni balatan niyo I'm grateful for the work that I'm doing. Pamandangani solibea on opportunity mo ron. And upon no sama itu kinango klawa daka tumay nonta. Yo tumbo daka may nakang kila tu kada yan doang na daka. Doang na daka may nonta. As a school teacher at the primary level. Sa wala may siniburo-buro ko. Sabi na kata, nung una may kiniki, sabi na kata may totoo na sabi na kata mo sa kata, so that I can start earning. So going back teaching was not an option. Well, I have other reasons too. Sabi ko sa ngaran, doon mo nisala meron din rawa kinabakatotoo in doon na nagkakadaka. So I opted to become a caregiver. Sabi 5 to 6 months na course. Baka meron ni Telikin na lesson na palatara ni takadaka na bonongo. Tikan ko na pono Alberta, Canada, kasi ang radio bando. Tikan ko na pono Alberta, Canada, na province of Alberta, capital city of Edmonton, ko. And nanungo points nga wase chumatani ko. The first one was nakaurida that one income has limits. Bayala nga na kaira ni sotava. Nandun na income plan sa bula sala pa na bonongo kito mitawiabo. We tried to settle and build ourselves from the ground up. Dana boleh lebih tipo ka. Klaro lang may tigo ko sa mama tunda nantayan bagning bulan sa almost 40 back in the years. Kaya binakatan yung pagkarangan doon na totoo sa amin kina baka caregiver ke. Yeah, already na bika mo rawata. I said that I needed more. Pinakata libutan na kaito, pinakata may sa tabi na nanobabik. Mga bakata kiyaw, already nandoon na paycheck. Paycheck nga ni caregiver was not enough. Yes, sa minang bili, beka, Mr. Kinanabubale, very buke kya. Sakit yung mga nakanga, binakato yaw. Tangay ito na nung binakata mo, plan for the future. That the paycheck has an singer ni kapatakato and I have 2 kids. Binakata mo. Titi ba kita lang membalata na ng rombula. Ayaw nga sa tuko na I have to find something else. And narakan nung turumbita kanyo yato may natinibulong ko. Reda ni job opportunities ike. Dala kami balang. Sima kami nanta. Kaya deklaran dayan doon natakatak sa kot ya. Balang. Pangapati sa nalasende. Yeah. Kaya doon ako na marot takit niya na may sotaro ito na pamadaling business ko. I wanted income. Hindi na ako nasama yung kinikin na nung kung nila. Anong nila nga may subichi ko 2016. 2016 sudo ko ayaw mo sa nakatakayan niya. And nakabango mi. Sa tika po nakatakatik ko ready ni I wanted. Doon binakati mo spend a lot of time with my little girl. Also, there was several nung kitalan how I used to cry driving to work. Wang gato nga yung dalingan ko na damoy lubiyan ko na nanatay tumay. Kaya ang rabi ako na matakalila yung singa muli na kada. Kaya ando na matakan renre. Ayun, binibina ka na may satawa ng business ko. Ngunang rita kina okay, sotava ruro na kao binakata. I wanted more income. Yeah, $1 talent go improve, and I wanted my time back. Maybe on no. I didn't want to lose more time. Yeah, even though sender ni sa tabaya satu na nunggu tuba kami bangaratan do tanong job. Sangkara na do tal na takataya. Sana sa taba na nunggu binakata ni to sa na nunggu nabi kaurawata. Iya. Tanong ikaw tadi nga bakal libubi na nunggu. Yeah, when I saw this business, sarawan na webinar. Quando to continue Bango Weekend, we register so that we can watch the webinar. I paid my fee of $149 because I really wanted to know what's happening, how they were able to, the people who were already in the business, how they were able to have more time. Their full-time job, full-time they didn't have to travel again outside of home to go to to go and earn it. And there's so many other good things about in the business, how they were able to travel around. Kala, serang ni song ang business. Bala tanong business ko dito nga naman na level. Already, okay. This is what I want. Pinakatan may total na ko income. Pinakatan lang namin kung niyali na ako with my time back with my family. And that's what I have now. Also, the kapag mo business, sa wala ka niya ba na yung backing go. In a few, I think in a week, I'll be 4 years in the business. I'll start opening other streams of income in the online space, and also getting back my time. I have time to do things for myself. To have the time for myself. I'm tired because I want to do it, something to do with my children, for my family, for myself. Go into the nails or go and walk around in the mall. Go sa may hospital na nung ko exercise. Go wara ka nung kumonela, may sukumaykela may nanana school bus. Every day when she comes back from school, I'm always home. I'm here at home. Ngando lang mo kaya sa na watch na nung exercise, sa nang buti na kito waya kabi, sa nung una, sa may nakabatalito ko sa nung kutakata ng business vale. Because that's my own time. So yeah, nang kawreda kung marita ka kina. Kung binakata, kung siya ngayon, binakatan yung pangkarata na sa talang guru because already one income, kaya lang has limits, and I wanted more income without losing family time. And kaya di ko naman takan ko na ng video. And katulong, I wanted income not tied only to my time. Kaya may ukuha ni raw ka nga, may nazaka-zakaya balata. Kaya yung hands-on searching, already ng business ko, nangunong hindi kaya already no. I don't have to be present for my business to work, for my business to run. There's a system in place. I just have to learn what I have to do, get plugged into that system, leverage the system, and leverage the internet space. Just using the tools that I already have. I have a phone. The only thing I bought when I started my business was my laptop. I had to buy a new laptop. But actually, I started using my son's junior high school back then. He won a Chromebook. Laptop. Started doing my business, doing the training using his Chromebook. I have to get my own laptop. I invested to buy my own laptop, which I'm still using now. Wi-Fi on 24/7, so I thought, really, why not? Wi-Fi and go on Facebook and doing other stuff. Why not use it to earn? To open the business. So yes, that's where I am today. Now I'm able to open more streams of income online. Sa around yung walilita ka na nung kukunita ka kasi nga ganda mamanindo sa tiwan. So I have more time to do things that I want to do for myself, housework, exercise. I don't want to say it in a good way. Health. This one reason why I love this business. So libyo na ngalala around yung may wako kuwayango. Just to rest. So libyo, giving me that space to breathe. So I want to encourage parents, or even if you are still single, parents to be, maybe you are a young couple watching, don't na turang sa kung baka na maramo, come and check this business out. It's a global business. It is a legitimate business. Yaw na mga kasawa, iti sa kaifal nga kinanan nito. Ang tax, really kinanakambala na business because it's taxable. So it's legit, it's recognized all over the world. Even in Fiji, there's lots of business owners in Fiji. And other Fijians too around the world. Every day we are welcoming new Itaukei business owners in our community, and that's so good to see. But then wasang nire dangono sa gitor mikina. Usang naman nga mo rin sa nakabiti siya sa gitik mo rin one nakabiti ako to about if I can remember well, about 4 to 5 ladies. Mga waridirto na ngono siya gitor mikina na bakya. But then a year later, later on, and we have a good community, a very supportive community. So we can't do that, we're not good with the computer, we are not good, maybe, maybe you lack that confidence. Remember, no one is born with that. It took me time to do what I'm able to do now. So if you are looking for extra stream of income that you can work on from home, this is a great opportunity for you. That nothing happens by accident. For a reason. And I don't know for you, I don't know what situation you're in right now. Maybe you are doing a work that you're not happy going to every day. A way out, and you couldn't find anything. I'm sharing with you this business. The weekend, I know. Even I do sometimes. Then I go to work. I'm not in the mood of going to work. So because then what's gonna happen? Well, there's something. There's something here. People are quitting their 9 to 5 by doing this business. People are earning more. Sarah ni merawata. Sawa patakatalo man vikara to 9 to 5. So man business too. They've shut down the traditional businesses. Start concentrating on the business because the flexibility of running the business. There's so many things na huli varot talaga may keda singin talaga to ko matamboko. Varot to be keda na huli parete exactly the path to follow. You just have to, come on board, open yourself to learning more. And that, you have to be a coachable person. Okay? If that's you, you're willing to give yourself to learn. I use my pocket times every day to do a little bit for my business. It doesn't have to be 4 or 5 hours sitting there, just sitting in front of the computer. No. Sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes only 1 hour in a day. That's it. Sa and I'm getting my time back. There's other things that I've helped in my home, in the renovation. So if you are interested to learn tap tap the link above it. Tap the website and go to www.leahblessed.com. Around you register your name and your email address, then watch the webinar. And there's always a replay there every time you register. Live session. Once you register, you will receive emails of the live sessions. And the email nga iko register making. Thank you for your support, everyone. And thank you for following me. God bless you all.